Do you have an idea that can reduce food waste?
Well, share your project to the Government of Canada Food Waste Reduction Challenge.
The most innovative concepts will compete for a chance to receive up to $2 million in prize money. We are looking for solutions that are high impact, innovative and transformative, ready to scale up, good for our environment, and beneficial to our communities.
Facts are clear. In Canada, over half of our food supply goes to waste. And yet, 1 out of every 7 Canadian households live with food insecurity.
Canadians told us loud and clear that reducing food waste should be part of the first ever food policy for Canada.
Join us and be part of the solution.